Hi guys, we are going to be going over page 7, Samantha's strategy, and we're only doing page 7 today, not 7 and 8. Samantha has been working with a variety of multiplication strategies. Write an expression to describe each of the statements Samantha made. A. To solve 18 times 20, I find double 18 and then multiply by 10. So they are doubling and halving so they're doubling one factor and halving the other factor to find the product. Doubling and halving sometimes is a good strategy to use if that makes the numbers easier to work with. And in this case, it makes it 10. Half of 20 is 10, which then makes multiplying by 10 a little bit easier. And so to find double 18, I can do 18 times 2, or I might do 18 plus 18. Find out what that is. 36, and now I have 36 times 10. To solve 16 times 18, I double and halve. So now you're going to write down that expression of doubling 16 and halving 18. And find that answer as well. You might notice that these are similar. And finally, to solve 31 times 8, I find 3 times 8, multiply by 10, and then add one group of 8. So I'm going to write down my expression again. I find 3 times 8. So first, 3 times 8 in parentheses, and then we are multiplying by 10, and then we are adding one group of 8. So you'll finish filling in those blanks. Next, you're going to find the answers to all of these problems. So A, your answer goes here, B, and C. Finally, you're going to fill in the blanks. So you're going to solve the parts that you know. This is working with the associative and commutative property. If you remember, associative property means it doesn't matter what you group together. A times B times C. If you group it A times B, that's going to be the same as if you group C times B times A. A would be back up front. So those would be equal, where commutative property means it doesn't matter the order, your answer is still going to be the same. So here, to find this blank, first I'm going to multiply 5 times 3, get my answer of 15, and then how many 15s fit into 60, and that answer goes here. Here, I'm missing a factor in my parentheses, but I know I can multiply 9 times 4, get that answer, and then find out how many of those fit into 72. So you're going to continue on solving these. Remember, it does not matter the order that it goes in or what you multiply first, because the product is always going to be the same when we multiply.